fit it?
It's got a little, God. Like got nuts on it.
Yeah, I thought it did. What size was it? Yeah, that's it right there. See if it hangs, see if it fits. I have a socket, I bet. It's gonna be hard to hold them things.
I know, they're up under a lid. You're gonna have to have another socket, I believe.
Well, I don't know if the socket will go in it or not.
That one goes on.
I can probably hold it like that. Which one you want to start on that?
I think I got that one loose. Well, this ain't nothing going in.
You need me to do it.
What's the deal?
You had it turned the wrong way. I'd say we might cut that off.
That's everything that you can move more good.
Wait.
But it was laying right there on top, how'd you miss it?
I don't know.
Right there. That may not be it.
I say it is.
Was it?
I believe it's a breather. Now you've done it.
You done it. Okay, pour some water.
You can't put water on a grease fire.
Well, that's true. I guess that is grease.
I reckon it's got a drain on it anyway.
That's what I was getting ready to say. See, the guy that I watched on YouTube, I think he had to take a putty knife and get it out. It was thick about like that. It looked yellowish.
That right there?
Yeah.
I found this.
Where'd you buy it old green truck?
I mine, well, he bought that a long time ago. Gave it to me back when I was a teenager.
Oh, that old green one?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't never seen it set. You don't even know what weight that is for me to get you some back.
Huh?
I said, you don't even know what weight that is for me to get you some back if we use that.
Somebody give that to me in a punt. I don't know for sure what it is. It's at least 90 weight. It looks bigger than that though.
I don't think it's tired of that. So that's about all it was in.
We need to get our oil in there next, I guess. Get this thing let down. Well, where's your cap at? Let me get it on there.
All I know is squirt some of that stuff on there.
I'd squirt a little bit in the thread though too, I think. Well, let's put the, oh, you gonna put it, what are you getting ready to do?
Put that cap on. I was gonna try to squirt some back in the thread. I believe I'll just squirt it on that though.
Let me clean that off.
I did a little bit. I gone. I don't know if I'm gonna put any or not. Whoa!
Shoo-wee.
Get it released for life. I couldn't get it released for life. It wasn't going, and all of a sudden it went.
I'll never get that stuff off of me.
It's awful squirrely coming off. Easy.
We don't.
That's all we can do. That cat ain't gonna do me. Perched up right in front of the heater.
Yeah. If she don't fool around.
I don't think I can pick that up, but I can try to just pick it up. All I know is pumper full. Or,
Might as well just pour it in.
well, yeah, not bad about that. Up to the bottom of the axle is what they said on that grease.
Yeah, that'd probably be about right.
See how big of a mess I can make.
You're going to do it for that.
No, I ain't. I'm keeping it from dripping off down the floor. It's touching the bottom of the, probably up on it a little more than it's supposed to be. But. Whoa!
See, I told you.
Forgot about it.
Wow, that right there. Weight case on there, that ought to do fine.
Look how it's sticking to them gears.
Yeah.
They ain't much to them. Which that's a good thing. They ain't a whole lot tired up.
No, it's pretty simple. It's it. I mean, whatever you think.
You know more about than I do.
You're the boss.
I don't do mechanic work much.
Oh, wait, the book said just bring it up to the shaft.
Yeah. I meant to bring the book. I forgot it. But it said the EPO grease set up to the bottom of the shaft. And hay doctor on there, and that guy told me the other day, he said 2.5 quarts supposed to do it.
That's more than 2.5 quarts.
That's what he said, man.
Well,
2.5
no.
quarts.
Well, yeah, it is. That's almost a.
Well, no, the bucket wasn't.
It'd be a gallon.
It was right about there. Well, yeah, it's a gallon, I'd say. And that's 4 quarts. I don't know. Look good to me. All I can do is fly apart.
I wouldn't want any less than that in there. It's over here make you nervous that way. This spot. Well, that's got her finished up. We, little recap, we had to weld in washers on these bolt holes. They's ripped out. We took all this off and changed oil in the gearbox and new gasket maker and stuff on the cover for it. Put new belts on it. The guard was tore off. Put the guard, fixed the mounts for it. I'll show you here. You can see right in there. Plated back over them. Re-drilled the holes. Greased it. Straightened up underneath. Fixed this little bracket right here where the drive shaft goes through that was broke, and reinforced it. But he believe he'll have him a good mower out of this thing. Everything looked good in the gearbox, and everything else been patched up, fixed, new blades on it. Should be ready to roll come hay cutting time. But if y'all haven't watched any of the other videos, there's 3 in this series. This is the last one. If you go back and check out the first 2, part 1 and part 2 on this rebuild project. And just please like and subscribe, share, and thanks for watching.